Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Okay, so today we will discuss about effects of oxidation reaction in our day-to-day life. Okay, so you guys must have observed that iron particles are very shiny when they are very new. Okay, and with the time there appears a reddish brown powder when left for some time. So this process, what I am saying here is iron particles are very shiny when new but get coated with a reddish brown powder when left for some time. Okay, and this process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Okay, so this process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Okay, students, and the reaction that takes place, the iron which is in solid form and the oxygen from the atmosphere which is in gaseous form, they mix, okay, and form Fe2 Fe2O3. Okay, now you guys know that how to balance the chemical equations, which I have told you in my previous lecture, students, also. So I hope that you guys can easily balance this chemical equation. Okay, and you have also noticed that some other metals also get tarnished in this manner, like copper metal and silver metal. So when a metal is attacked by substances around it, such as moistures, acids, it is said to corrode, and the process is called corrosion. Okay, so there are some also some other metals except iron, means like copper, silver, eg. Okay, so these metals also get corroded when they are exposed to either moisture or acids. So and they changes their color, like there appears a greenish layer on the copper metal when it is exposed to air for some time. Okay, and the black coating on silver is also one example of corrosion, students. So what are the harmful effects of corrosion? So harmful effects of corrosion are like damage to car bodies, because car is made up of most the metals. Okay, and when their bodies get corroded, like bridges, iron nailings, etc. Okay, so these are the examples, or these are the harmful effects of corrosion in our day-to-day life, students. So corrosion of iron is a serious problem every year, and enormous amount of money is spent to replace the damaged iron. Okay, and so till now we have discussed about the corrosion and its harmful effect. Okay, now let's discuss what is rancidity. So students, now we will discuss about what is rancidity. So what is the difference between rancidity and corrosion? In rancidity, there are substances like fats and oils. So let me write this. When fats and oils gets oxidized, they become rancid. they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Okay, so usually substances which prevent oxidations are added to foods containing fats and oils. So usually substances that prevent oxidations. So students, the substances that prevent oxidations are also called as preservatives that we have discussed in our earlier classes. Okay, so there are different type of preservatives like oil and vinegar and uh, salt, sugar. So these are some preservatives. So uh, which help the substance to not get oxidized. Okay, so which prevent the oxidation of the substances are added to foods containing fats and oil. Okay, so how we can protect our food from getting oxidized? Keeping food in airtight containers helps to slow down the oxidation process. So that is why nowadays there are large number of containers written over there as they are airtight containers. Means the oxygen will not get passed through these containers. So they are helpful to protect the food from getting it oxidized. Okay. So student, this is all about rancidity. And if you have still any doubt or any question based on corrosion and rancidity, then please do comment in the comment section and also download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store. Thank you. Happy learning.